Welcome to TechLipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change underline color on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open in document. After that, if I select my all the text and then click on home tab, and here you can see underline option. If I add underline in my document, just click here and then select any underline. You can see in my document underline has been added successfully. Now if you want to change your underline color, just click here again, and at the bottom you can see underline color option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can change your underline color. At first you have to select your all the text again and then go to same settings again. Now from here you can choose any underline color as you like. Suppose if you want to add this underline color, you have to just select it and it's done. You can see in my document underline color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change underline color on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.